Hello everybody, this is Nora and I am coming to you with a very quick tutorial on how I went about creating this, what I'm calling a reverse LED lighting. And the reason for that is because for this mani what I did, I applied my colors first and then I went over with the stamping. For this in this particular case, I went with a very subtle stamping because I wanted the color to still show through. But you're going to see how I went about doing this. I'm going to show you in my index finger. And so basically use my base if you're interested. This one is from Formula X. The name of it is Heart Stopping. And basically what you'll want to do is take any image that you like to stamp. I am going to stamp with you want to first stamp with a very subtle color. So I chose this regular polish to go stamp over my lilac, and so it's going to leave a very subtle image, but enough so that I can see the image so I can color it in. And then once I color it in, then I go over it stamping again. In this case I chose to stamp over with Conat Silver, which I knew it was going to be subtle. I didn't want it to cover too much of the color. Guys, so there you saw me apply the color, so filling in the image that was barely there. And this is the part that I'm going to stamp with the silver to go over the image again, so then it will show the actual outline of the image. Check your image. There it is. So I'm going to apply it here. Okay guys, so here's the final result after I applied top coat and cleaned up. So what do you guys think? Pretty neat and easy, huh? Yeah, so like I said, I like to call this kind of like a reverse LED lighting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.